Hello everybody, this is Con, now at Wern's Auto House Service. EvoEnduro is happening this week, and those of you who are participating, we strongly encourage that you have your cars fully serviced and checked from head to toe before you embark on this epic journey with us. Okay, so normal precautions, of course. Okay, ensure that all your fluids in the car are fully replenished. Okay, if especially those of you who are running high performance turbocharged direct injection engines, be sure to bring an extra can of engine oil with you when you hit the road with us. Okay, because with this new generation of turbocharged direct injection engines, engine oil consumption is fairly common. Okay, so bring a spare can of engine oil with you as you cross the border, and also check that your undercarriage, all the nuts and bolts of your undercarriage are properly tightened. Right, you don't want things falling off from your car. Okay, check that your tires, okay, are in good order, that with good amount of tread available. Check that the wheels are properly aligned and balanced. Check that your battery is still strong, holding its charge. And yeah, okay, just make sure that everything is in your car is in good working order. You're of course most welcome to bring your car over here to Wern's Auto House, where we have our crew of highly trained technicians, as well as and they're working with some top-notch equipment. Okay, so they will be able to accurately pinpoint and diagnose all issues with your car if there are any. Okay guys, so remember, EvoEnduro is going to be the most epic road trip of 2018, and we really look forward to have you with us. But of course, be safe on the road and be sure that your car is in good shape for the journey. Okay, yeah, so guys, see you here on 1st August 5 a.m. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.